spending countless hours in front of a screen. Whether you're grinding through work, deep into a gaming session, or catching up on your favorite shows, all that screen time can strain your eyes, mess with your sleep, and even impact your overall well-being. The culprit, blue light, it's emitted by phones, laptops, TVs, and just about every digital device we use daily. That's where blue light glasses come in, designed to filter out harmful light, reduce eye fatigue, and help you sleep better. In this video, we're diving into the top 15 best blue light glasses on Amazon that are perfect for anyone who spends long hours in front of a screen. Whether you want something stylish, affordable, or premium, we've got you covered. Let's jump in. 1. Prospect blue light glasses. If you're someone who works late or spends most of the day on the computer, Prospect glasses are a fantastic choice. They use advanced lens technology to block harmful blue light without distorting color. They're lightweight, comfortable, and stylish enough for all-day wear. Users often report noticeable relief from eye fatigue within just a few hours. 2. Gunnar blue light reading glasses. Gunnar is a premium brand that takes blue light protection seriously. Their lenses block up to 65% of blue light and even come with an optional magnification, making them ideal for reading or detail work. These are especially popular with gamers and digital professionals who spend 8 or more hours a day on screens. What sets Gunnar blue light reading glasses apart is their patented lens technology, which not only reduces eye strain but also enhances visual focus and contrast. This makes them perfect for long editing sessions, intense gaming marathons, or extended reading without the usual eye fatigue. The optional magnification helps reduce the need to squint, promoting a more natural reading posture and preventing neck strain. With durable, lightweight frames and a wide range of styles, Gunnar glasses combine high performance with sleek aesthetics, making them a top-tier investment for serious screen users. 3. Peepers by Peeperspecs Women's NOLA Cat High Reading Glasses. For those who want protection and fashion in one, Peepers offers the perfect blend. The NOLA Cat High design stands out while also providing blue light blocking. These glasses are especially great for women looking for something chic without sacrificing comfort and functionality. 4. Felix Gray Nash Blue Light Glasses for Men and Women. Felix Gray glasses are known for their high-quality lenses and modern, minimalist design. The Nash model is unisex and fits comfortably for long-term use. These glasses reduce glare, eliminate color distortion, and look professional in any setting from Zoom calls to daily wear. 5. Blue light blocking glasses for women and men. If you're on a budget but still want solid protection, these glasses offer value without cutting corners. They're designed for both men and women and include anti-glare and anti-fatigue features. Perfect for students, freelancers, or anyone who needs all-day screen coverage. 6. Livho High-Tech Blue Light Glasses. Livho has gained popularity for its affordable, high-tech options. These glasses block both blue and UV light and come in a variety of styles. They're ideal for people who want multiple pairs for different occasions: home, office, or travel. Reviewers love how lightweight and effective they are. 7. Prospect Blue Light Blocking Glasses Solaris Edition. Another excellent model from Prospect, the Solaris Edition is designed specifically for sleep improvement. It filters out disruptive wavelengths that interfere with melatonin production. Great for evening use, especially if you find it hard to fall asleep after scrolling through your phone or watching late-night shows. 8. TIJ and Sleep Glasses. TIJ and Sleep Glasses are a powerhouse when it comes to blocking out harmful light. With nearly complete blue and green light filtration, these glasses are recommended for those with extreme sensitivity or insomnia. They're best worn 1 to 2 hours before bedtime for optimal effect. 9. Raw Optics Clyde Frame with Sunset Lenses. These are not your average blue light glasses. Raw Optics uses specialized lenses that give off a deep amber tint to signal your body it's time to wind down. The Clyde frame is bold and stylish, and many users swear by them for improving sleep quality and reducing headaches. 10. Sixus Round Blue Light Glasses for Men and Women. If you're looking for something classic and gender-neutral, Sixus delivers with a round frame design. These glasses are great for anyone who wants solid blue light protection without going over the top. The frame is lightweight, and the lenses have an anti-reflective coating that reduces screen glare. 11. AYO Premium Blue Light Therapy Glasses. These are a bit different from the others. While glasses are designed with a built-in light therapy system that not only blocks blue light but helps reset your circadian rhythm. They're perfect for frequent travelers, night shift workers, or anyone dealing with jet lag or sleep cycle disruptions. 12. J Plus S Vision Blue Light Blocking Glasses for Computer and Gaming. Designed specifically for high-intensity screen time, these glasses are a gamer's best friend. They reduce glare and visual distortion, which is crucial for long gaming sessions. The lenses are slightly tinted but not too dark, so colors still pop, and your reaction time isn't affected. 13. Primal's Blue Light Blocking Glasses Extra Strength. Primal's offers extra strength lenses that block a larger spectrum of blue light. If you've tried other glasses with minimal results, these might be worth a look. They're a solid pick for people who suffer from chronic dry eyes or tension headaches after screen time. 14. TIJN Vintage Thick Round Blue Light Blocking Glasses. These are for the vintage lovers. The thick, round frame is retro-inspired but modern in function. They come with multi-layered lenses that reduce eye strain and improve contrast. Whether you're editing videos, reading online articles, or watching Netflix, these keep your eyes protected in style. 15. Blue Light Blocking Glasses with Anti-Strain Protection. Rounding out our list is a well-rated all-rounder. These glasses offer anti-strain, anti-fatigue, and UV protection. They're a simple solution for anyone looking for instant screen comfort, especially during long work or study sessions. In addition to reducing digital eye strain, these blue light blocking glasses help regulate your sleep patterns by filtering out disruptive blue light, especially in the evening hours. The lenses are designed to maintain color accuracy while blocking harmful wavelengths, so you won't experience the yellow tint common in other blue light glasses. Lightweight frames and a stylish design make them comfortable for all-day wear, whether you're in front of a laptop, tablet, or phone. They're a smart and affordable accessory for anyone who spends hours on screens and wants to protect their vision and focus. Whether you're working from home, gaming, or scrolling through endless tabs, these blue light glasses can help reduce eye strain, improve focus, and make long screen hours much more comfortable. Compact, stylish, and highly effective, these top 15 picks on Amazon are ready to become your go-to screen time essential. If any of these caught your attention, be sure to check the full list in the description below. Each product is linked for easy browsing. Have you used any of these before? Or do you have a favorite accessory that didn't make the list? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your tip might just help someone else enhance their daily routine too. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. We've got more wellness gear breakdowns coming your way, and we'd love to hear what you'd like to see next.